How to check Milestone Credit Card application status. What's up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to tell you a few ways on how you can easily check your application status for a Milestone Credit Card. So as you guys know, the most relevant option to get your Milestone credit card status is to contact customer service because Milestone is not currently offering the feature of live chat, so you will need to call the customer service, and here is the number that you can dial. So you will have to dial 1-8003053, and upon dialing the number, you just have to wait for your representative to receive your call. And you just have to ensure to have all of your information ready, which will require your name, your address, and the last four digit of your credit card. Then you just have to follow the prompt to check your application status that the representative will guide you through. And then um, you also might be able to use the automated system, or it will be transferred to another representative depending upon the application status. So when you are given the prompts, you just have to follow their instruction and give them your essential details, which will include your application reference number or any other details like your name, address, or even your CVV and your last four digit of your credit card. And the automated system or the representative will search for your status and give you the information about if it is approved, pending, or denied. So you can ask the support representative or the automated system, and depending on that, you can check your application status. So that is pretty much it for this video, guys. If you found this helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one.